was young, you held my hand, taught me how to walk, helped me understand. With every stumble, you were near. Your voice, your strength would calm my fear. And now I see the man you are, a guiding light, my northern star. You're my hero, Father, strong and true. You gave me hope, you pulled me through. With gentle hands and a heart so wide, you stood by me with endless pride. No cape or crown, but I can see a hero's what you always be to me. You worked so hard, never asked for much. Your love was quite a steady touch. Taught me to fight, but also forgive. To stand up tall and boldly live. I carry all you gave to me, a better soul because you believe. To me, you're my hero, Father, brave and kind, with wisdom deep and hands that guide. Through every storm and darkest night, you were my fire, my inner light. No cape or crown, but I can see a hero's what you'll always be to me. Oh, me. Someday I'll tell my children too of all the love I learned from you. And if I'm half the one you are, they'll know their heroes never far. You're my hero, Father, till the end. My first protector, my best friend.